Hello, my name is Dmitry. Some time ago my friend said to me, living in the world of digital technologies, what will we leave to the next generations as artifacts of our existence? Handwritten letters are things of the past, while evidence of our relations and achievements became essentially virtual. Taking technology for granted, how many of us realize that digital information is endangered by technological progress itself? According to Digital Genome Time Capsule project, the whole complex of binary code, operation system, computer architecture, and even JPEG compression required to see digital pictures are bound to disappear, giving way to newer technologies. The same goes for digital letters we write or receive. I personally believe the two greatest achievements of humankind are language itself and printing. Unfortunately, when they met, the chosen medium of paper is the weakest one. Paper can rot, burn, or decay much sooner than people will realize cultural or historical value of what was printed on it. Popular today computer memory seems even more fragile, considering that it is just microscopic magnetic marks. Having evidence of our lives trusted to such fragile media, what will we leave behind that will say who we were? Will we be remembered by future generations for what we did and who we were? Or will our names be forgotten and lost in history? Some say that speaking the names of the gods feed their immortality. Does it make real people, such as Tutankhamun, Qin Shi Huangdi, and Kairos immortal, since their names are spoken thousands of times a day? There are a few ways to be remembered, but all of them require extraordinary abilities and circumstances to complete the role in history which will guarantee preservation of one's name. And some people, indeed, fulfill those requirements. Unfortunately, if records of their achievements, for example, were stored in the Library of Alexandria, their names were lost forever. Unable to build an empire, conquer countries, and leave after oneself monumental structures, some may trust their names to long-lasting materials such as stone, just as it was done with this fine attempt at immortality. Nevertheless, knowing the names of gunners and targets, what can we say about their personalities and lives? Stone media they used is great for purpose of preserving information, but extremely impractical for putting it on. Considering all that I said so far, I went to great lengths in developing technology that will allow preservation of textual information on media which will not rot, burn, or decay for thousands of years to come, giving authors of printed information the chance to preserve their names and thoughts throughout the history. Ceramic relief printing technology will help to preserve landmarks of human relations, our vision of world around us, memories, events, and people that shall not be forgotten, leaving important archaeological, anthropological, and cultural artifacts of our existence. The technology I have developed has several advantages. Once text is composed, I can print multiple copies, giving it better chances for survival. Obviously, it's not going to be truly mass production, since every tablet will have to be bisqued in some cases multiple times in temperatures up and beyond of 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. Unified quality of print will make it easier to read. A variety of traditional and modern sealants, from polyurethane to ceramic glazes, will provide protection from the elements. Finally, despite the amount of work it will require to make one, the actual price of the materials will always be less than the price of information it will carry. During our history, too many priceless historical and cultural artifacts were destroyed, to extract the price of material holding the information. Those media, from titanium to gold, which can be recycled or possess value of its own, will have a risk of being destroyed. Forever is a very long time, but I want you to imagine the depth of time measured in thousands of years. Who knows where the human race will be by then? What language will we speak? What technology will we use? Whose hands will hold printed text of your names and your memories? Could it be hands of archaeologists, anthropologists, or other scientists of the future? Or will it be hands of your great, lots of greats, grandchildren? I am asking you to help me, and in turn, to become part of history. Literally. May your name live forever. Thank you.